Have you ever think to yourself, can you ever reach your goal in life and not give up? Well, life can be tough and it's easy to feel like giving up. My name is Carson Ow and I'm 11 years old this year. I'm here to tell you that you're stronger than you think. You have the power within you to overcome any obstacle and achieve your dreams. In my life, I've always wanted to do things that are challenging and things that I could never do. My dream is to become a good animator to animate stuff that can entertain viewers. Even if we are still young, we can do anything as long as we believe in ourselves. Learning animation was one of the toughest projects I undertook. I have to watch hundreds of YouTube and practice. I failed many times, but I persisted and finally able to create some decent animation works. Some of the more senior animators in the community gave me a thumbs up on my creation. The road to success is never easy, but the challenge that makes us stronger. Every day is an opportunity to learn and grow. You never know what you are capable of until you try. I used to admire my peers who go up on stage and speak with such ease and confidence. I wanted to try but was scared to do so. Mom decided to send me to a public speaking center to learn. With my newfound confidence and skill set after attending the classes, I went on stage to speak. It was life-changing and exhilarating experience. I still have lots to learn to master public speaking, but I am glad I did it. It transformed me to be a more confident, and this confidence carried across many other things I'm learning. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a journey. It's the small steps we take every day that leads us to our ultimate goal. So keep pushing forward even when it feels like the odds are against you. You are capable of achieving greatness and I believe in you. I'm proud of myself for walking this difficult road, for doing what's right for me and making a big change. And that's a really big deal. Learning from mistakes and failures but getting back up again transformed me to be a better, smarter, and stronger person. Be resilient and you shall weather the storm like I did. Thank you.